Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian tasty yam porridge. Continue watching to find out how I make this yam recipe. To make this yam porridge, I'll be peeling the yam. To peel the yam, I'll cut the yam. When I'm done cutting the yam, I'll peel off the skin of the yam. When I'm done peeling the yam, I will cut the yam into my desired shape and size. I will repeat the same process until I'm done cutting all the yam. When I'm done cutting the yam, you need to wash the yam properly. I will repeat the same process and wash the yam again. When I'm done washing the yam, allow it to soak in the water. To make the porridge, I'll be using onion. I will cut the onion for easy blending. Then I'll put into the blender. Then I will blend. When I'm done blending the onion, I will set aside. I'm blending the onion separately because I want to fry the onion before adding the red bell peppers. I'll be using scotch bonnet and red bell pepper. I'll remove the seed of the red bell pepper, cut into pieces and add into the blender. I will cover the blender and blend. I will not be adding any water. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. Into a preheated pot, I will add the palm oil. I'm not going to bleach the palm oil. Then I will add the blended onion and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes of frying the onion, I will add the blended pepper mixture. Stir together and allow to fry. While frying, I will add salt, stir and allow to continue frying. When I notice that the sauce is ready, I'll be adding my cooked cow skin. I will stir it into the sauce. The cow skin ogbono has been cooked and it is very soft. I just want to mix it into the sauce, so I'm going to take it out from the sauce. This is optional. When I'm done removing the cow skin from the sauce, I will add stock cube, add white pepper powder. I will stir so that everything will mix together. I'll be using prawn, so I will add the prawn. Then finally, I will add the yam, stir to mix into the sauce before I will add water. For this yam porridge recipe, you can use any meat, fish of your choice. I will taste for salt, add some salt, I will also add crayfish. Then add some water to cook the yam. I will add enough water to cook the yam. Then stir to mix properly. You can also test for salt again. Then I will finally cover the pot and allow to simmer. "25 minutes of cooking the yam. I can notice that the yam has softened. When I notice that the yam is tender, I'll be taking out some yam. I would like to mash it so that it will thicken the yam sauce. When I'm done mashing the yam, I will add it back into the pot. Stir. This will help to thicken the porridge sauce. When I notice that the yam is almost ready, I will add the cow skin. Stir, then turn off the heat. Finally, the delicious Nigerian porridge or pottage yam is ready, and this yam tastes so delicious. I hope you can see how easy it is to make Nigerian porridge yam, and this yam tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe, and thank you all for watching.